Howdy there, folks. This is Lapidary Dave, and right now I'm coming at you from Inlakesh Woodworks here in Taos, New Mexico. I have here a beautiful piece of Chrysocolla, Parrot Wing Chrysocolla that is, from Sinaloa, Mazatlan, Mexico. I bought this material for about $30 or $40 a pound from a very kind Mexican gentleman at the Buena Vista Gem show who harvested it himself. Parrot Wing Chrysocolla is perhaps one of the most popular types of Chrysocolla and is really well known for its red, greens, and blues. As soon as I got this material, I slabbed it up. I got 6 or 7 slabs out of the kilo I bought for about $30 or $40. Here's my very last slab. I wet it so you folks could see the beautiful color. That's a leaf. Parrot Wing Chrysocolla is a pretty soft material, however is very stable and takes a fantastic polish. This material is not too hard to drill at all. Some of this material I still have polished. These are some pieces that I worked this week. You can see some of those famous blues and greens in this one. This piece has some of those famous reds. All of these pieces I only polished to 600 grit. Much like turquoise, I don't need to go much farther than 600 grit before I polish it. This material has some whites and yellows inside of it, perhaps making this a lower quality Parrot Wing Chrysocolla. But the whites and yellows take a fantastic polish nonetheless. I don't know if it's quartz or whatnot. It doesn't bother me at all. I do find vugs and little crystallini druzy pockets throughout this material. I don't have any more of the druzy stuff. Fantastic. I've seen this material being sold for between 50 cents and $3 a gram, which is pretty impressive because that's what you see a lot of turquoises being sold for. The plan is to cut up a piece. I think I'm going to slice this right here to get a beautiful piece that has the reds and the greens. Not too much blue left in the material that I have raw. But it should be fun. Let's do it. Alright folks, I drew a rough line in pencil to show you folks what I am thinking about. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and then I'm going to take it to a flat lap outside, kind of take off the rough ends from the slab saw. That wasn't so tough. Alright folks, I'm going to lick this with 80 grit. This will be my face, so this will be my back, so I will be taking this down quite a bit, which is fine, it's for the greater good of the shape. I will be cabbing this, which means I won't be licking this with a hard wheel. Alrighty. Ugh. Power. Alright folks, this is my 80 grit preform. I need to go a little bit deeper right here, but that's fine. I'll take care of that using the 220 grit wheel. Pretty cute shape. As of right now, it reminds me of those badges those folks wear in Star Trek. Alright. This is 80. Let's get on over to 220. Alright folks, this is my 220 grit preform. Looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and lick this with 280. 280 is the longest taking wheel, but it doesn't take too long with this material. Looking pretty cool. I will lick the back a little bit with 280 grit. Dry it off for you folks. I won't be worrying too much about it. Anyway, 280. Alright folks, this is my 280 grit finish. As you can tell, it's already pretty glossy. I did lick the back just a little bit, almost as glossy as this face here. What I'm going to do next is lick this with 600 grit, and then skip 1200 and 3000 and go straight to my dental polisher. This material is not the toughest in the world, so it should take a fantastic finish, even at a low grit like 600 grit. Alright, let's see. Alright folks, this is my 600 grit polish. Already pretty shiny. I could easily leave this alone, but I'm going to take this over the top by taking it to my Red Wing dental lathe. Yeah. Beautiful material. Definitely pays for itself in the first piece. Even in lower qualities. Fantastic. Nice high dome. See you at the buffer. Alright folks, I'm going to nail this with some Fabuluster. Just going to shine right up. Alright folks, take a look at that. Absolutely stunning. Here's the front. Here's the back. She's a pretty big piece. Would make a fantastic pendant or perhaps a bracelet. Maybe on down the line I'll drill her, make a fantastic, quick, easy little braided pendant out of it. Anyway, I'm going to take it over there to its sisters. Fantastic. And here's that beautiful piece. Looking great. This material's a little crusty down here at the bottom, but I like that. This material is a real pleasure to cut, a real easy cut. I hear there's another variety of parrot wing from Arizona. I don't know which one's the original, the Sinaloa, Mazatlan, Mexican material or the Arizona stuff. I will be going back to the Buena Vista Gem show. Hopefully I can buy 10 times as much as I did this year than I did last year. Anyway, folks, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you folks soon. Until next time, this is Lapidary Dave. And this is some Parrot Wing. See you next time.